T.O.P.T.I.P. T.O.P.T.I.P.
Hi, I'm Gil from Run DMG, and my tip today is for any business that's looking to scale their returns from Facebook ads. So if you've got an ad set that's been performing well for a few days, don't just leave it sitting there at the same budget. You've got a massive potential to scale it up, and you can go from spending hundreds of pounds a day to thousands of pounds a day, and from spending thousands of pounds a day to tens of thousands of pounds a day. So it's quite simple. It's called vertical scaling. All you do, if you've got an ad set, like I say, that you've seen some consistency in for 3 to 7 days, and it's been getting you purchases at a good return, all you do is increase the budget in the morning by 20 to 30%. Give it a couple of days. If it's still holding at the same kind of returns that you're looking for, then you can increase the budget again by 20 to 30%. And that way, within about a week, you can be doubling your budget. So if you've been spending a few £100 a day, you can get up to £1,000 plus. And if you're already spending a couple of £1,000 a day, you can be getting up really quickly towards up to the £10,000 a day mark. So yeah, give it a try. Vertical scaling, it's one of the best ways to really max out your returns from Facebook and get the most from the platform. So if you enjoyed that tip or you want a few more, I'm most active on Twitter, at Gil, Gil, _run DMG. Or if you want to speak about anything else to do with Facebook ads, send me an email, Gil, again, Gil, at run-dmg.com. Thanks.